How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR, back with another unboxing video of a power bank. This power bank is from the brand Goodmans. As you can see, it was for £12 in B&M. To be honest with you, a 10,000 milliamp power bank for £12. It's cheap as chips, man. It has up to 6 full charges for a phone, ultra fast charging, dual USB charging. It's got a smart LED display, as you can see, compatible with obviously iPhone and Android, any other device, I guess. As you can see, other devices are here: tablets, smartphones. If that's a tablet, I don't know what the heck that is. But it says, I don't know why they've listed a number of devices here, why it's compatible with. I reckon it's compatible with anything. I reckon it's even compatible with things that are not even on here, like flipping drones and stuff. I don't know why they've listed that there. But anyways, here we go. You can read that yourself. This is a really nice little introduction piece here. It's got a micro USB and Type-C inputs. It's got a slim design, charges 2 devices at the same time, as it is doing there. It's got 1, 2, 3 security seals. So if you've got this from B&M, it's a store in the UK. I don't know if it's going to be a store in wherever you're living. I think it's just a UK store. If it doesn't have the security seals on it, then I guess, guys, you're gonna have to return it, because dude, things like this, you want them brand new. You do not want them to be used. Well, here you got one security seal off, and the other security seal is here. Oh, you're probably thinking, hey, where the heck's your small tiny little knife gone? Dude, it's taking a day off. It's simple as that. You know, every once in a while something needs a break, man. It's taking a day off. But you know what, I was trying to do a shortcut, but you know, shortcuts are not good in life. So let's just peel it off, just like so. From here, there we have it. Finally we made it, and up goes there. It's not very user friendly to unbox this. By the way, if you haven't seen my previous power bank video of the Anker power bank, go ahead and watch that right now, because that power bank, absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10, right? No overheating issues, nothing. Loved it. This one, well, this is unboxing at the moment. It's not a review. The review's going to be kind of in the comment section. So here we go. This, my friend, dude, it's got, I can smell battery all over the place. Let me have a quick sniff. Yeah, damn, man, it's flipping stinks. Not gonna lie, this stinks. I don't know why it stinks. It's like if it's been burnt. Wow. But anyways, here is the power bank. Nice. It's got aluminium material. Here are all the ports. I can see USB-C, micro USB, normal USB, and that's about it. This over here is pretty sticky. I have a feeling this is going to rub off. Definitely going to rub off after a few uses. Yeah. Dude, fast charge for Apple devices. Okay, I gotta confirm that. Why does it say fast charge for Apple devices? Does that mean it's not fast charge for flipping Android devices? That's discrimination right there. Right, has it got any charge to it? Let's see. Oh, cool. It's good. 60% charge. 60% charge. Right? And let's put that back. Let's see. I'm loving the screen, man, but the flipping screen alone is going to take a lot of battery, I guess. But, dude, I don't know why this stinks. Flipping stinks of acid or something. Right, what's this? A white lead with a black power bank? That ain't cool, man. It's got a micro USB, not USB-C, a micro USB. And, yep, that. And let's just put that away. I can see something under there, and under here is the instruction manual. Keep the unit free from dust and lint. That's all I need. I don't want to read anything else, because that's the most important thing. Charge it via laptop or plug. I'm going to charge with the plug, man. Troubleshooting, cleaning, material maintenance, blah, 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 blah. Now let's put this back. Let's put this here, there, and there you have it. It's the Goodmans power bank unboxing. Damn it, I'm just looking all over the place. Do I have a bloody device with me that I can charge with this thing? I actually don't, man. I actually don't have nothing with me that I can charge. Damn it. But obviously, it's a power bank, it's charging. You know what? This is stinking pretty bad, man. I hope it's not a faulty product. I don't know why it stinks so badly. It stinks like if the flipping battery, it's only obviously it's the lithium ion battery, so it hasn't got any liquid inside it. But it seems like the acid spilled out, man. Flipping stinks really bad. I hope it doesn't stink my room when I flipping charge this thing. But we'll see what happens. Anyways, here it is. Keep your questions down in the comment section below. Right, fire your questions away. Anything you would like to ask me, fire them away down. If you don't see me make another video after this, that means this has exploded in my face and the AMR, that's the end of him. But hopefully, it's nothing like that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay awesome. Take care of yourselves. Peace out, man.